Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or we'll be discussing with you, Monzo Flex credit card review. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, Monzo Flex here has evolved from a basic pay later feature into a fully realized credit card. And if you already use Monzo for daily banking, it's already easy to set up. Now, it's beautifully merges the safety of a traditional credit card with the seamless, user-friendly budgeting tools that digital banks are famous for. Now, instead of waiting for physical plastic here, you get a virtual card injected directly into your mobile app that you can add to your digital wallet or start using right away. Now, this absolute biggest selling or the absolute best selling point here for Monzo Flex credit cards is how it handles short-term borrowing. Now, if you buy something over £100, Monzo lets you split that cost into 3 equal monthly installments at a genuine 0% interest rate. Now, you can also choose to pay it off entirely on your next monthly billing date for zero interest, which gives you a great little cash flow buffer, even bit better here because it functions as a legitimate credit card. Any eligible purchases you make between £100 and £30,000 is automatically backed by Section 75 protection. So that means if an online shop scams you or a company goes bust, Monzo is legally required to help you get your money back. Plus, if you love to travel, they pass MasterCard's exchange rate directly to you with absolutely zero sneaky foreign transaction fees. Now, they even have a clever option called Flex Build Now, which uses smaller limits to actively boost your credit score if your file is looking a bit thin. Now, having a look here, I have to give you the honest reality too because it is not completely free money. Now, while that 3-month window is a fantastic tool, the second you decide to stretch your payments past that mark into 6, 12, or even like 12 4 months here, the interest rates get incredibly expensive. Now, depending on your credit profile. Now, you can get hit with a hefty variable APR ranging anywhere from 29% to 39%. Now, if you already know you need to spread a large expense over a long period, you are much better off ignoring Monzo Flex and hunting down a traditional high street credit card that offers high interest-free purchase window for a year or two. Now, you also have to keep in mind that you can get Flex as a standalone product. Now, so you are entirely locked into maintaining a standard Monzo current account just to access it. Now, you might be wondering, is it actually worth it? Well, if you are disciplined or a disciplined spender here, you just want a clever way to smooth out the cost of major purchases over 3 months while locking down heavy-duty consumer protection, well, Monzo Flex here is brilliant and the app experience is unmatched. But if you think you might struggle to clear the balance quickly and end up letting those payments roll over for months on end, well, the high interest charges will quickly bite you. So you better be safer avoiding it. But that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.